If your mornings feel rushed and your mind feels crowded before the day even begins, stay with me. In the next few minutes I will share the routine I have used for decades to carry calm from sunrise to sunset. If this helps you, please like this video, share it with someone who needs a quieter morning, and subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell icon so you will be notified when I release new teachings. Let us begin. I wake before the sun touches the horizon. The world is still. My mind is also still, if I choose to meet it that way. I do not reach for my phone. I do not let the first thought be a list of tasks. I sit up slowly and feel the weight of my body, the warmth of the blanket, the air in the room. This is the first practice. Notice that you have woken. Most people rush past this moment. They trade it for worry. Instead, I place one hand on my chest and take 3 slow breaths. I remind myself that today is a new life, not a continuation of yesterday's storms. If the mind wants to run, I let it run, but I do not run with it. I observe it the way I observe clouds passing the temple roof. This takes less than 2 minutes, yet it changes the texture of the whole day. Presence is not found later, it is chosen now, in the quiet before sound. I stand and bow once, not to an image, but to the day itself. Then I stretch, not to achieve, but to listen. The body after sleep is like a forest after rain. It needs time. I roll my shoulders. I loosen my neck. I feel where stiffness lives. With each movement I breathe in for 4 counts and out for 6. The breath is longer than the motion. This teaches the body that it is safe. When the body feels safe, the mind softens. I do not judge what hurts or what feels tight. I simply notice. This is alignment. Breath leading body, body leading mind. If thoughts of the day arise, I label them gently: planning, remembering, worrying, rendest, inhale, then the exhale. In 5 minutes the heart is calmer and the spine is awake. You cannot carry peace into the world if your own body is at war with the morning. I boil water and watch it carefully. The sound of water changing is a teaching. Nothing stays the same. I prepare tea with both hands, even if no one is watching. This is not about tea. This is about attention. I sit and hold the cup. I feel its heat. I smell the leaves. Before I sip, I name 3 things I am grateful for. Some days they are large. My health. This breath. Some days they are small. The sound of a bird. The weight of the cup. Gratitude is not a performance. It is a noticing. I drink in silence. No reading. No speaking. When we fill every quiet space, we starve the mind of rest. Tea takes 7 minutes. In that time, the heart remembers it is enough. When you are finished, the mind is less hungry for distraction. Now I take up a brush and a small piece of paper. I write 1 sentence, only one. It is not a list. It is not a goal. It is an intention. Today, I will speak softly. Today, I will listen fully. Today, I will walk without rushing. Your intention will be different, and that is right. The purpose is to give the day a direction before the day gives you its chaos. I read the sentence aloud once. I let it settle. Then I fold the paper and place it in my robe. When the day pulls me into old habits, I touch the paper and remember. Without intention, we react. With intention, we respond. This is not control. This is guidance. A calm mind is not an empty mind. It is a mind that knows where it is going. The final part of the morning is the doorway. Before I step outside the temple, I pause. I take 1 full breath at the threshold. This tells the body, we are moving from stillness into activity, but we do not abandon stillness. Whatever your doorway is, use it. The door to your room, the door to your car. Pause there. Remember the breath, the tea, the intention. Then walk. If you must hurry today, hurry with awareness. If you must speak today, speak with the memory of silence behind your words. Calm is not something you visit in the morning. It is something you carry. When you forget, which you will, return to the breath for 1 cycle. That is all. 1 cycle is enough to come home. If you want to begin this practice tomorrow, keep it simple. First, place your phone in another room tonight. Wake and take 3 breaths before anything else. Second, Drink 1 cup of tea or water in silence. Name 3 small gratitudes. Third, write 1 intention for the day. 1 sentence only. Fourth, pause at your doorway before you leave. 1 breath to carry stillness with you. Do these 4 things for 7 mornings and watch how the day shifts. You do not need to be a monk to live with a calm mind. You only need to begin. If this teaching served you, please like the video and share it with a friend who is feeling overwhelmed. Write a comment and tell me which part you will try first. I read them. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you are notified when the next teaching is released. May your morning be steady, and may that steadiness follow you all day.